Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up data upload from Agile CRM in Zoho Inventory. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in Zoho Inventory, create new contacts. Each time a new contact is added to Agile CRM, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Choose Agile CRM as the data source system. Next, you need to select an action, Get Contacts New. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to specify domain, login, API key or password. In order to get a domain, you need to go to Agile CRM. Copy domain from address bar. Please note that you need to copy domain without extra characters. Next, paste it into the required field in the ApiX-Drive service. Next, you need to specify the login of your Agile CRM account. You also need to specify an API key. To do this, go to Agile CRM. Next, go to Admin Settings in the Developers and API section. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive service. When all required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Agile CRM system, so just click Edit and Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so just click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the Agile CRM data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose Zoho Inventory as the data ingestion system. Next, select the Create Contact action. At this stage, you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. Give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Agile CRM. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also enter values manually. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Edit and Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to Zoho Inventory. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Zoho Inventory. We go to the Zoho Inventory personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.